How to change wallpaper in Redmi Note 11. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the wallpaper. First of all, open settings. Now, slowly scroll down until you find the option called wallpaper. So here it is wallpaper. So you can directly select the wallpaper that you want to change into in your mobile device. So here are some system wallpapers too. Now select the one that you like. So here I have selected one. Now you'll be able to see the option called apply. Simply tap on apply. Now you must set as a lock screen, as a home screen, or both. So select the one that you want to change into. Here I am selecting set as home screen. Now it's being done. So if you go back in your home screen, it has been completely changed. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.